If your media player app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your media player app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your media player app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu, open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Media Player. Click on the three dots to open the Media Player options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the media player app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The media player data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If media player is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete media player data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If media player is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall media player and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First press Uninstall. The media player app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download media player again. Search for media player. Click on media player. Press Get. Wait for media player to be downloaded and installed. Now open media player.